Fellow moms of Minnesota, join the Minnesota Moms Fishing Challenge. This upcoming weekend isn't just Minnesota's fishing opener, but Mother's Day weekend. Every year, moms in Minnesota can fish for free without a license on Mother's Day weekend as part of Take a Mom Fishing Weekend.
Last year, as part of this special event, we started a challenge to see how many fish Minnesota moms could catch in one weekend. This year, we're doing the challenge again in partnership with the Student Angler Organization and Women Anglers of Minnesota. No matter where you are in Minnesota, you can join in the challenge. Just join the Minnesota Moms Fishing Challenge Facebook group and submit the photo of you with your catch. It was so much fun to get out on the water with my family and enjoy a friendly challenge with moms all over the state last year, and I can't wait to do it again.
We're lucky to have so many incredible places to fish, from the Twin Cities piers my family loves to our lakes and streams across Minnesota. More than 2,000 moms joined the challenge last year and caught more than 1,200 fish. Let's see if we can catch even more this year.
Let's go fishing, Minnesota moms!